going on YouTube. So I bought this lip. It's a P1 style. I bought a new, and then I test fit it for like one day. And I already beat the shit out of it. I don't know how to paint, but we're gonna learn today. I'm gonna hit it with the light coat first. Alright, I did the final white coat. I did like about 3-4 coats of them. Now I'm gonna do the clear. Probably do like 3 more coats. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of it. Alright, so this is what she looks like, all gutted. Literally everything's gutted except for the front door panels. Carpet's gone. I'm a little sick, but I've been tackling this foam little by little. It's freaking annoying though to take it off. Just a pain in the ass. I don't know if you guys know if this is factory. Like if the factory puts this fucking foam in there, or like a previous owner did this shit for sound deadening. I don't know if you guys' Teggy has this, let me know. But I mean, it doesn't look OEM to me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I am going to be cleaning up this harness, hiding all the wires, all the main wires that I need. What else? I've been taking off the sound deadening a little bit. Obviously I gotta hit it with the dry ice like everyone else does. But like in the mornings and stuff, or like when it's really cold, it's able to come off a little easier. But I feel like just dry ice would make it a whole lot easier. So this is a week after the video. I completely smashed this freaking bumper. My lips over here. I obliterated this shit. After like 2 weeks of it being installed, I freaking fucked it up. But I was on a on-ramp, probably going like 60, 65. Yeah, I just spun out. It was cold as hell. I spun out, couldn't catch it or save it. So I bailed, slammed on the brakes, and my front end went into like a little berm. And yeah, that's the result. So $250 down the drain. I gotta spend another $150 on the bumper. It was never perfect, but I just didn't want to spend the money on a new bumper. But I guess now I have to. The clips were all broken. They've been broken, but yeah, so that's the update. Kind of bummed out, but it is what it is. Car stuff, I guess. Fuck. I'm sorry that I fucking sound like shit right now, but I just wanted to give you guys a little update. I did cut the rear bumper. Did muffler delete, so looks pretty good. Maybe when I paint the front bumper and the lip, I'll paint the rear bumper, because it's just fucking gone. That's why I cut it too, because it just wasn't perfect either. My friend had hit me, so the lower portion was kind of like fucked up already. So I was like, fuck it, might as well just cut it. Do the typical Honda thing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Teggy. Just stay posted, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I wish I would have cut that spin out though on camera. That show's fucking stupid. Just want to say thank you guys for keeping up with the Teggy. We got a exhaust video coming up on a GR Corolla, so that's gonna be pretty sick. And yeah, just stay tuned, guys. I'm sorry once again, I fucking sound like shit, but hopefully I get better pretty soon, because right now I do not have the motivation to work on this stupid fucking car. All right, guys, stay tuned for the next video.